The top 5 best affordable camera for vlogging in 2023. At number 1 we can buy Sony ZV-1. The Sony ZV-1 is the best compact vlogging camera you can buy. Its mix of a bright lens, superb autofocus and design tweaks like the side flipping screen make it a powerful pocket video option with few peers. Those seeking super smooth walking footage might find its image stabilization a slight letdown, and it has a few familiar usability quirks, but the ZV-1 remains the best video all-rounder in its weight class. Specifications. Type: compact sensor size, 1-inch resolution, 20.1 megapixels effective focal length, 24 to 70 mm viewfinder, none monitor, 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen, 0.921 million dots connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth max movie resolution, 4K 30p size, weight, 105.5 by 60.0 by 43.5 mm, 294 grams. At number 2 we can buy DJI Pocket 2. The DJI Pocket 2 may not be perfect, but it's better than anything else on the market at what it does, namely, being a compact vlogging camera. In its pricier creator combo package, the inclusion of a wireless mic and other core tools for video production is fantastic, and the bump up in sensor size over its predecessor is similarly welcome. Where it also comes into its own is with object tracking, specifically for vloggers walking and talking around a space. Ultimately, it's a fantastic imaging tool that can slot into a videographer or vlogger's workflow nicely. Specifications. Type: compact sensor size, 1/1.7 in resolution, 64 megapixels effective focal length, 20 mm viewfinder, none connectivity, Wi-Fi max movie resolution, 4K 60p size, weight, 124.7 by 38.1 by 30.0 mm, 117 grams. At number 3 we can buy Panasonic Lumix GH6. The mirrorless filmmaking world may have become more focused on full-frame cameras since the GH Lumix series emerged, but the Panasonic Lumix GH6 shows that there's still life in the Micro Four Thirds sensor format. Small and lightweight but packed with a remarkable array of video options and excellent image quality, the GH6 also boasts superb handling and image stabilization and perhaps the best contrast-based autofocus yet seen on a Panasonic camera. It's a dependable stills camera, too. Specifications. Type: mirrorless sensor size, Micro Four Thirds resolution, 25.2 megapixels effective focal length, N, A viewfinder, EVF, 5.68 million dots monitor, 3.0-inch articulating touchscreen, 1.84 million dots connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth max movie resolution, 5.7K 60p size, weight, 138.4 x 100.3 x 99.6 mm, 823 grams. At number 4 we can buy Fujifilm X-S20. The Fujifilm X-S20 simplifies stills photography and video content creation with a host of auto shooting modes that include a dedicated vlogging mode, automatic scene detection, and improved subject tracking. It also ups the video ante by offering 6K, 30p 4:2:2 10-bit internal recording. Then there's the bigger battery, plus everything that made the XS10 such a great all-rounder. It's a shame that these updates have warranted a steep price hike over that camera, which makes the XS20 a hard sell when the older model is still excellent. Specifications. Type: mirrorless sensor size, APS-C resolution, 26.1 megapixels effective focal length, N, A viewfinder, 0.39-inch, 2.36 m. EVF monitor, 3.0-inch, 1.84 meters. Vari-angle touchscreen connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth max movie resolution, 6.2K 30p size, weight, 127.7 by 85.1 by 65.4 mm, 491 grams. At number 5 we can buy Sony ZV-E1. The tiny Sony ZV-E1 is the most capable vlogging camera available, and is overkill for most content creators, but it will likely surface on more serious video productions too, thanks to its clean 4K video image quality in any light, plus superb in-body image stabilization and autofocus. It also offers a simple control layout, and AI smarts that make life easy for modest crews, and hint at how cameras are likely to evolve. Specifications. Type: mirrorless sensor size, full frame resolution, 12.9 megapixels effective focal length, N, A viewfinder, none monitor, 3.0-inch vari-angle touchscreen, 1036K dots connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth Max movie resolution, 4K 30p size, weight, 121.0 x 71.9 x 54.3 mm, 483 grams. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channels for such interesting videos.